a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. The New York Stock Exchange ARCA has given the nod to a new investment product called Teucrium 2x Long Daily XRP ETF. It is an exchange-traded fund that enables investors to gain exposure to the daily price action of XRP, a digital asset used by Ripple without actually owning any XRP. The main goal of this ETF is to provide investors with double the daily return of XRP. This product is designed for investors who wish to profit from the fast price movement of XRP. It operates by checking the price of XRP on a daily basis and applying a 2x multiplier. CBOE Digital, the crypto arm of the Chicago Board of Options Exchange, is hoping to roll out a new Bitcoin futures product later this month if approved by regulators, the exchange said on Monday. The new trading vehicle, in partnership with FTSE Russell, will be cash settled and based on XBTF index, which represents 1/10 the value of the FTSE Bitcoin index. It will settle on the last business day of each month. If regulators approve CBOE's application, the futures would begin trading on April 28th, it said. The US Securities and Exchange Commission have revealed the list of the individuals who will be attending the roundtable on the regulation of cryptocurrencies for trading on April 11, 2025. The event will be called Between a Block and a Hard Place, Tailoring Regulation for Crypto Trading, and will discuss how the SEC should regulate trading in cryptocurrencies. Some of the leading companies in the crypto space, including Uniswap, Coinbase, and Cumberland DRW, will be present through key personnel such as Unisaw Labs Chief Legal Officer Catherine Minarik, Coinbase Vice President of Institutional Product Gregory Tusser, and Cumberland DRW Associate General Counsel Chelsea Pizzola. Crypto exchange WazirX received over 93% approval from creditors from its scheme of arrangement, moving closer to asset recovery after a $230 million hack. The voting involving over 141,000 creditors exceeded Singapore's Companies Act requirements, preventing a shift towards liquidation. If sanctioned by the Singapore court, the scheme will initiate payouts and resume withdrawals, with plans for a decentralized exchange and recovery tokens. A Nigerian court has postponed Binance's tax evasion case to April 30th, allowing the Federal Inland Revenue Service more time to respond. FIRS is seeking $2 billion in unpaid taxes and $79.5 billion in damages, claiming Binance's operations harmed the economy. Binance argues it wasn't properly notified as it's based in the Cayman Islands. The court will decide if FIRS can use email to serve legal papers. Nigeria has been cracking down on crypto platforms like Binance, accusing them of destabilizing the currency market. In 2024, Binance executives were detained and the government blocked access to Binance's website after it halted peer-to-peer trading. The case highlights tensions between crypto innovation and financial regulation. In 2024, the percentage of Singaporeans holding cryptocurrency has risen to 26%, up from 24.4% in 2023, with younger generations leading the trend. Gen Z 40% and millennials 39% hold the largest share, while Gen X 19% and baby boomers 9% hold less. Younger users predominantly use crypto for e-commerce 41.1%, bill payments 35.9%, and in-store shopping 27%. Older generations prefer peer-to-peer transfers 42.9% and internet shopping 35.7%. Younger users also lead in remittance payments 33.6% and bill payments 35.9%. Singapore's crypto payment ecosystem has seen growth, with over $1 billion USD processed in Q2 2024. Major retailers like Charles & Keith and iStudio now accept crypto. The rise in crypto usage is attributed to international acceptance, transaction speed, and lower fees. However, challenges like complexity, security, and limited merchant acceptance remain. Changpeng Zhao, the former CEO of Binance, has joined the Pakistan Crypto Council as an advisor to promote crypto education in the country. Pakistan aims to educate and employ 20 million out-of-school children, leveraging its young population, average age of 24, and widespread internet access. The country has seen significant crypto adoption, with over 20 million residents having exposure to cryptocurrencies. Zhao's appointment follows high-level meetings chaired by Pakistan's Finance Minister Mohammad Aurangzeb and attended by key officials from the State Bank of Pakistan, SECP, and the Information Ministry. FreeDEX, a centralized cryptocurrency exchange, has been granted a digital asset service provider license by El Salvador's Comisión Nacional de Activos Digitales. This milestone reflects FreeDEX's commitment to compliance, security, and transparency in the crypto ecosystem. El Salvador's pro-crypto stance, which began in 2021 with Bitcoin's recognition as legal tender and strengthened by the Digital Assets Law of 2023, has positioned the country as a global digital asset hub. The DASP license, which has a low application success rate, ensures that FreeDEX operates within El Salvador's regulatory framework, offering users enhanced security and transparency. Galaxy Digital announced that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has approved its S-4 registration statement for the company's domestication from the Cayman Islands to Delaware. This move is part of the firm's expansion into the U.S., with plans to list on NASDAQ under the ticker GLXY next month. A special shareholder meeting will be held on May 9th to approve the reorganization, with the NASDAQ listing expected soon after shareholder approval. The reorganization process is expected to close by mid-May, subject to approval from shareholders and the Toronto Stock Exchange, where Galaxy is currently listed. Additionally, Galaxy recently reached a $200 million settlement with the New York Attorney General's office over its role in promoting the collapsed Luna cryptocurrency. A new technical group is working to enhance the Hedera network by integrating Diffinity's Internet Computer Protocol to address key challenges in blockchain, Web3, and AI. The group aims to enable Hedera apps to run AI logic directly on chain, removing the need for external servers and making decentralized apps faster, smarter, and more secure. They also plan to replace centralized cloud-based front ends with ICP's technology, creating fully decentralized user experience for dApps. Additionally, they are working on seamless interoperability between Hedera and other blockchains through ICP, allowing smooth asset and data transfer across networks. This collaboration has the potential to set a new standard for decentralized AI infrastructure and interoperability in blockchain technology. Well, that's all in this bulletin for now. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. Do like, share, and subscribe to 3.TV. And for more information and stories, log on to our website www.3.tv.io or scan the QR code.